Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. Thank you guys for stopping by. So today I went with this pink, sultry, sexy, look. I recently ordered the new Juvia'S Place palette, and it's the festival palette, and it looks like this. And this is what I used in this tutorial. I just came up with something, I didn't know what to do. These colors are amazing. This tutorial also includes the new Maybelline foundation that I'm trying out. Unfortunately, I won't be able to wear it for a long time, so you guys will know how I feel about it. At the end of this video, I'm just gonna wash my face and go to sleep because I'm really tired. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I enjoyed doing it. Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna be moisturizing my lips, and this is the NYX Lip Loving Balm. I am going to moisturize my face, or prime my face, with the Farsali Unicorn Essence. Alright, so next I am going to be using the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer because I am oily in my T-zone. This is so pricey, so I use a little bit. Alright, so today I'm going to be trying out the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and it says you can wear it up to 24 hours. I don't know who wears makeup for 24 hours, but this is what it says. And I am in the shade Truffle, which is 362. So it comes with a pump, and I'm just going to use my finger. It looks a little bit light on camera, but it blends out. I tried a little bit earlier to see if it will blend perfectly. So I'm going to use this MAC. It's a little bit dirty because I used it yesterday, and this is the MAC 159 brush. It's a stippling brush. And I'm just taking this down to my neck because my chest is lighter than my neck, so I have to match my chest. Alright, so now I'm going in with the Beauty Blender. The other foundation that I have from Maybelline, I have two colors. Oh my god, I look crazy on camera. I have two colors that I mixed together. One's too light and one's too dark. Maybe I should have picked up the other color. I don't know. I'll let you guys know if I like it in my next tutorial, or if you guys follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, I'll add the links below so you guys can follow me. Alright, so today I'm going to be trying out the Maybelline concealer, and this is in the shade Hazelnut, number 55. I've never used these before, but this is the darkest one they had. Well, there's another shade that's darker than this, but they didn't have it in store, so I just got this one. If it's too light, I might mix it with my Shape Tape or my NARS, but I am just trying this out for the purpose of this video. Okay, well, it's blending. It's blended. What is wrong with this light? It's blended perfectly fine. So far, so good. To contour, I am going to use the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum, and I am in the shade Hot Cocoa. I love this thing. This is amazing. I just do a little bit on my nose because a little goes a long way, and just a little bit under my bottom lip. Alright, so to blend out my nose contour, I'm going to use the Morphe E47 brush, and it looks like this. Alright guys, so to set my face, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just gonna go under my contour just to sharpen it up. And this is the Morphe R10 brush. Alright, so to set the areas that I contoured, I am going to use the Black Radiance pressed powder, and this is in the shade Ebony. This brush is the Beauty Basics brush. I think that's what it's called. It's just an angle fluffy brush. Alright guys, so for brows today I'm going to be using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And I am in the shade number 6. And I'm just going to, I'm really digging this foundation. It actually looks nice. Don't mind the faces. That's the personality. Can't talk when we do brows. Alright, so next I am going to clean them up using the same concealer that I used to contour. And this brush is from Morphe, and it's the M410 brush. It's a little bit dirty because I used it yesterday. Alright, so I am going to what you gonna call it? What am I doing to my eyelids? I am priming my eyelids with the same concealer. Get it together, girl. I'm also gonna take the buffing brush and buff out the front. Got this tip from Alyssa Ashley. I am going to set that with some Laura Mercier powder and this Real Techniques contour brush. Alright, so for eyeshadow, I am going to use the Festival palette by Juvia'S. I just ordered this, and this palette is so beautiful. Look at these colors. These colors are amazing, and they're so pigmented. I have 2 other palettes from Juvia'S, and they are so pigmented. My first shade is going to be this. I'm not even going to try and pronounce none of them. So my first shade is going to be this deep red shade. It looks bright on camera, but it's a little bit darker, as you can see as I get closer. But this shade is going to be my first shade, and I am not going to tap my brush off. I'm just gonna go right in, and I'm just gonna take this on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just taking a little bit to my inner corner. Maybe I should zoom you guys in a little bit. Alright, you can see now? Alright, so I'm looking for a lot of definition in this tutorial, or in this eye look. So that's why I didn't tap my brush off. Alright, so I'm going back in and I'm tapping off. And I'm going just a little bit higher. Alright, so above the red, whatever that color is, I am going to take this shade, whatever this is called. I'm gonna go right above here just to blend out the harsh line. This palette is amazing. Going back with the same brush that I used the red with. I didn't take no more product. I'm just blending. Just blending. I'm gonna take the same red, the first red. I'm just tapping it off a little bit, and I'm gonna go in just right here. I got absolutely no fallouts, none whatsoever. This is a foundation palette that you can use after you put your foundation on, versus other palettes that cost 50-60 bucks. They get everywhere, all over your face, all over your shirt, everywhere. Next, I am going to take the same concealer, and this is just a flat brushed from BH Cosmetics. I think it's from the Carnival collection. This is what it looks like. It's just a flat brush. And I am just gonna make a half a cut crease. And to know if I've gone a little bit too high or how high to go, every time I tap the top or I drag onto the top, I just look forward just to see if I've gone too high or if I need to go higher. That's what I use to gauge how far I need to go. Alright, I think I'm satisfied. I just have to let it dry a little bit. So for the next shade, I am going to take this pink in the palette. And it's so pigmented. Look at this. So pigmented. I hope this works out. I don't know if I'm feeling it, but it's whatever. I'm not starting over. Alright, so I'm going back with the red shadow. And I'm just buffing out this line a little bit. It's not gonna go away fully. Alrighty, so I am going to do the other eye and I will be right back. Alright guys, so for my waterline, I'm going to be taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. And I am also going to be using the pink eyeshadow on top of that. And the brush that I'm using to apply that is the Luxie 221 Flat Definer brush. Next, I am going to take the deepest red and this Morphe 213 brush just to buff that out. Next, I am going to take one of my favorite mascaras, and it's from Maybelline, and it's the Falsies Push Up Angel, and this mascara is everything. The lashes that I'm going to be using are from Ardell, and these are the faux mink lashes in the number 817. As you can see, I was in the store and I saw them and I thought, you know, why not try it. Alright, so to apply that, I'm going to be using the Duo adhesive. The blush that I'm going to be using today is from Black Radiance, and it's in the shade Warm Berry. I'm also going to be using the MAC 116 brush to apply that. This is also one of my favorite blushes. There's only two blushes that I really like. The other one's from MAC. I think it's called Noir. Alright, so I did not add my foundation powder to my face. That's why my face was looking a little bit oily, so I did add it. The MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW50, along with my favorite Morphe brush. It's the Morphe E41 brush. Nice and big. That's what she said. So next I am going to spray my face with some Fix Plus just to set everything in place before I apply my highlighter. And the highlighter that I'm using today is from Wet n Wild. It's called the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and this is in the shade Crown of My Canopy. And this is also one of my favorite drugstore highlighter. It's my first time using it and I love it. It's very pigmented. It doesn't make me look ashy. I am using that with the Sephora Pro Fan Eventail number 65 brush. Alright, so for lips today, I'm going to use the NARS liquid lipstick in the shade Done It Again. And on top of that, I am going to use the NYX liquid suede lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken. This is one of my favorite combinations. Next, I'm going to take another Wet n Wild highlighter, and I am going to take that to my tear duct, and the brush that I'm using is the Morphe E18 brush. And for my brow bone, I am using the Morphe M433 brush. Alright guys, so this is the final look for today. I'm sorry about the voiceover. A lot of noise was happening. I had to do the voiceover. Anyway, I am loving the way this foundation came out. It looks awesome. I'm loving this look. I am loving the palette. Everything about this look is awesome. I love it, and I love the lip that I topped it off with. If you guys like this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you guys for watching.